Bring him home. He's like the son I might have known. If God had granted me a son, the summers die one by one. How soon they fly on, and I am old and will be gone. Bring him peace, bring him joy. He is young, he is only a boy. You can take, you can give, let him be, let him live. If I die, let me die. Let him live. Bring him home. Bring him home. Bring him home.
Well done, buddy.
Wow, Joe. Kelly, what did you think of his performance?
I thought that was a perfect vocal. It was. We've heard that song so many times by so many people, but again, like I said with Stars, you sing it how it's supposed to be, because you've got this really beautiful vibrato, which just really adds so much depth to the song. I thought it was just an absolutely beautiful, breathtaking performance. So well done.
Louise?
Yeah, Joe, what a perfect song choice. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I think the vocal was just perfect. You've got a gorgeous way of just adding the lovely like crescendo through a note where you just grow into it and show that passion as you're singing. Perfect. I absolutely loved it, and you'd be really proud of you for that. Well done.
Thank you. Joe, what can I say? Treat this performance as next week in the theme. And if you was to start the night next week with that, this is what I would say too. Absolutely a fantastic way to start. In terms of theme, Songs from Home, that's exactly how it's done. You found something vulnerable to you and you allowed that to come through. In terms of your control, we've got to remember you're 18 years of age, right? You've only ever done this without any system or nothing like that. So this is a new platform for you in what you need to use and what you're getting used to. And my God, you are on a mission. That's why you're on through this. And every week, even this, I feel like to me, this was the most connected I've seen you in a performance so far. The control was bang on, 18 years of age, and you sound so much more wise beyond your years. You know, when I was 18, I wish I could sing like that. I couldn't do that when I was 18 years of age. There's just this feeling and connecting and maturity that was there tonight that reminded me this guy is 18. You know, he's 18, and obviously you've lived through that experience, and that's what happened there tonight. So in terms of the theme, you absolutely smashed the theme for next week. So